Are you live chat? Can you guys hear me? Chat, can you guys hear me? Hello, hello. Yo, chat, can you guys hear me? Okay. I think we're good. How you all chat? How you guys doing chat? Damn bro, it's so hot right now. Why the fuck is this? I'm so late. It's fine. Damn bro, it's not looking good right now. Chat, I'm in a short position right now in this USD JPY. Yep, I'm in a short on USD JPY right now. Let's see if I can pull that out. Have you guys taken any trade during the London session? Guys, have you taken any trade during the London session or still waiting for the setup? Bro, it's not looking good. Damn, bro. Chat price at least need to close below this fair value gap right here, so that we can use that as an inversion fair value gap right there. So I'm looking at price whether it's gonna respect that fair value gap or not. Good buys on S100 before it dropped. Have you guys made some money? Chat, have you guys made some money today? Dang, bro. I made $5. Nice, bro. I'm currently down like crazy. Okay, all right. See some nice reaction from there. Let's see if we can close below that fair value gap there. Let's just put this right. Okay, chat. I wanna see a close below that fair value gap right there. Right, that red shaded area. Just give the link to the Discord server. Give me a lot of money. What the fuck, bro? Check the weekly time frame. Which pair, bro? Which pair are you talking about? Fuck. Uh, it should close below that. This candle should close below right now. Okay, if I see this high taken, then I'll probably cut this straight off. I'm not gonna hold into this straight if I don't see anything. Yep, I'll probably close it. All right, I'm gonna close this straight, chat. I'll just wait for another setup. Then so that I had this buy side liquidity pool marked uh, yesterday, and we ran up to there and took out that buy side liquidity pool. But I'm bearish for all the USD pairs, and so I'm gonna probably look for some high forms during the New York session, or maybe some reversal setup, because my target are all the way down here on USD JPY. Let me show you others. Okay, USD CAD at least should go into that fair value gap right there. It should tap into that and then fall down. And these are my liquidity pools. First one is right down here. And let me show you the others. And GBP, I have this too high, then one right here. These are my higher time frame liquidity, drawn liquidity. All right. Okay. Euro is at now like, okay, it's at OTE level on the fib retracement within this dealing range, and I was expecting Euro to take out these lows, and it did took out these lows. So I'll just to wait for some setup forms within this zone right there. Do we see anything here? Okay, we see some SMTs there with DX, my mistake, sorry, chat, with GBP, but I have to wait for a price like right like this. I want to say this high taken out first with a nice move from here. Then if I see any fair value gap, I'll probably take that trade there. Voice is low. I think I have to pick it up. Okay, is it good now? Is it good? Can you hear me right now? What is gold doing? All right. Okay. Okay, we have a news for DXY at, I guess, okay, 10 a.m. we have a high impact news on USD. During the London close kill zone. Yep. We have a news at 10 a.m. today for DXY. I think it's gonna move like shit during the New York session and London close. Because we dropped so much during the London kill zone. Damn, bro. Did any of you capture this move right there? Chat. Did anyone capture the this move right there on Euro or cable? Man, USD JPY is still consolidating right here. But I was expecting it to fall from this fair value gap. So we have a SMT right there, and I'm expecting this high is the high of the week. This high is the high of the week because we have taken a major buy side liquidity. Where is it? That daily high right there. So yeah, I'm confused about this setup right here. So I'll probably just wait for this low to be broken. And then within that dealing range, I'll probably look for some setup. Let's just wait and see because I don't know, price could take out that high one more time during the New York session. And then we probably gonna close during the London close kill zone right around here. Yep, that's what I'm expecting right now. But let's just wait. Okay, USD CAD still running. This is pure manipulation, chat. This right here is pure manipulation. Some gonna think that price gonna go below this low right there, and others are waiting to go long. I think it's gonna it's not gonna move outside of this box right here. If it does, that's good, but I don't think it's gonna move out of that box. New Zealand. There was some nice setup on NAS to the chat. So clean. This setup was so clean, chat. You could have targeted this slow right there. What the fuck is going on? Chat, what do you think? We gonna drop down from here, or we gonna continue from that fair value gap? Are we gonna fall from here? What do you think, chat? By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, if you're new here, then subscribe, chat. What the fuck is this? What's gold doing right now? Bro, gold did exactly what I was expecting. We talked about gold when it was right around here. Yep, right around here, I guess. It's gonna take out all this buy side liquidity, and it did took out those buy side liquidity, chat. This right here, the top one is the highest high on gold. I think it's gonna take a pullback today. Yep, we're probably gonna see some pullback today on gold. Yeah, damn, bro. Do you have open pool? Bro, I had, but I closed it on small loss. Yeah, it was on USD JPY right here. I shorted around here and got out like when price was here. So yeah, I'm waiting for some setup right now. Bro, New York session is gonna move like crazy today. I mean, it's gonna move like shit today. That's what I'm expecting right now. I think we're gonna see some choppy price during the New York session. What the fuck? Right. Chat, have you guys taken any trade yet? Or you're just like me right now, do not see any setup? We tapped into this one right there. No, we didn't. There is some news. Yeah, bro, London session was crazy today. Didn't even took any small retracement. It just kept going down and down. Bro, USD cat. Oh, okay. All right. Chat, I have this 50%. Yeah, I think USD cat gonna uh, go right into that fair value gap. It's on, I guess, 4-hour chart. Yes. And this is my dealing range for USD cat. It's gonna go into the, I guess, premium. Yep. It's gonna go into the premium zone. What the fuck? All right. Chat, if I see a closer of this fair value gap right here, like this, I'm not gonna take a trade on cable though, but I'll look for a setup on euro because it's, yeah, because of these SMTs with the GBP right here. I think euro gonna move faster if we change our directions. I think the day our liquidity got shaped unexpected pullback in euro. So let's see. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm also looking. And bro, the daily rewards, I'm expecting a pullback. But new server. So we are about to tap into that fair value gap right there on USD cat. Where is the stand? Bro, I kind of think like USD JPY gonna fall. It's not willing to go there up. I still kind of think it's gonna go down from there. I'll go short if I see a close below this fair value gap. This I'm gonna use this one as an inversion. If I see a close below that, and then I'm gonna go short again on USD JPY. Other pairs are just moving like shit right now. Chat, give me a moment. Man, I was in FOMO. If I would have gold trader, I'd make a lot of money. But gold is manipulative and it's really hard. Bro, you can make money with Forex and indices, bro. Just because gold moves quicker than other pairs, it doesn't mean you're gonna make money with gold only. There are other markets, other pairs. Why don't you trade with them? And it all depends on how much you can risk to lose, bro. If you don't have that mentality to lose more, than you can make money with trading. Yeah, if you can trade gold, then just look for another asset or another pair. Gold is like lucrative, bro. It's gonna You're gonna feel like you're gonna make more money quicker than trading other pairs rather than trading forex or indices. But when you start trading gold, you're gonna see how bad it is to trade gold, bro. Bro, gold destroyed everyone's psychology. All right, that I really want to see USD JPY take out this low right here and probably then close below this inversion pair value and probably continue lower. What's euro doing? All right, euro's moving right now. Chat, wait for euro to close below this, above this high. Then if we see a fair value gap, we could take a trade on euro. But until then, just wait. Like this. Yep. So just wait and watch right now. Bro, I'm bullish on euro and cable and bearish for other USD pairs. I'm not looking for sell on euro. If I don't see a long, then I'll probably just ignore the any trade. I'm not gonna take any trade if I don't see any long setup. But we have a fair value gap here. Okay, we see some nice push right now, but we need to see a clean price like chat. Do not take any trade right now. What's USD JPY doing right now? Bro, this motherfucker is not even moving right now. It's more like a bull flag trap chat. So we have taken out this high right here, this high right here, and this right here is more like a bull flag. So if we see a close below here, and I'm expecting a uh, expecting lower prices on USD JPY. So yeah, if we see a break below this low and close below this inversion fair value gap, then I'll probably take a short trade on USD JPY. What do you think, Chad? Is USD JPY gonna continue lower or it's gonna go more higher? All right, we have taken out that high, but we need to see a closer of that high right there. If you want, you can use this one as an inversion and take a trade, but this right here is a risky setup. It's still risky. We have to see other what DXY is doing. DXY haven't taken out that low right there, but Euro did took out that low. So wait for DXY to take out that low right there, and then you can probably take a trade on Euro. But before that, do not take any trade, chat. What about you? Bro, I think Geo's not gonna move clean today. It's better to trade Euro today. As soon as we change the directions of the trend, then you will see why I say that. Okay, now we're gonna see price. Gonna respect that fair value gap right there. We wanna see this as an inversion fair value gap. Let me just mark that for you. IFPG, okay. As long as cable below here, do not take any trade. Wait for cable to take out this high. And then you'll probably see some clean price move. Why do you say so for GBP? Bro, GBP, let me just show you. GBP has taken out this low right here, right? But Euro failed to take out that low. So it means what? It means Euro doesn't want to go any lower. It has something up there that's not letting it to go down there, right? We have this buy side liquidity that are intact right now. This too high. So yeah, that's why Euro gonna move cleaner than GEP. We tapped into that inversion fair value gap, chat. Let's see how price moves from there. Why did price fall so much? Well, I can't exactly tell you that, though I know, because we had that low. Where is it? Okay. Okay, we have taken out this high right here on cable, and this is the initial sell side liquidity where smart money is waiting. Sorry, my mistake. Where most of the trader put their stop loss, right? Let me just, okay. So if we wanna continue higher, we have to take out some sell side liquidity, some sell stop. That's why price came all the way down here and took out all the sell stop. And if you see on euro failed to go down there, right? Why did it fail to go down there? Because we already have taken out that sell stop right here. First we took out some here, then we moved higher and took out this buy stop right around here, and then we took out that major buy stops right here. And that time GEP did not took out those buy stop. So now GEP came all the way down, more cleaner than euro, and took out all the sell stop right there. And euro's not willing to go down there because it already has taken all the sell stop with this move right here, that candle right there. So yeah, that's why I think euro gonna move cleaner, and that's why we saw GBP fall so much today. Right. Do we have anything on Geo? Euro is dimming. Look for longs on Euro and GBP. That's what I can say at least. I can't exactly tell you why, but I'm gonna look for longs on Euro, GBP, Aussie, and New Zealand dollars, and look for shorts on USD CAT, USD JPY. That's it. As long as USD JPY doesn't take out this high, I'm still gonna look for shorts on USD JPY. If this high stay intact, then yeah, we are okay to look for shorts on USD JPY. USD check, bro. All right, do we have a close up of that high? We still don't have a close up of that high, chat. Wait a bit more, and we haven't taken out that low on DXY yet. So yeah, just wait for DXY to take out that low there. Bro, gold has nothing to take now. Because we have taken all the buy stops on gold. Go and look at it. Look at it, bro. Just go and look at your gold chart. I talked about gold, I think a week ago when it was, let me just show you. Right around here, okay. We talked about gold when it was right around hand. All this buy side liquidity pool were taken, already taken. See, it took out sell stop, then went higher. Took out sell stop again, then went again higher. Again took some sell stop, went higher, and yesterday it took out the major buy side liquidity. The highest high on gold, all-time high has been taken out on gold. So there's nothing I can exactly say right now. Yep, bro. I saw one thing on gold chat. Most of the time, what it does during the Asian session, it takes out some the swing low. If it's in a bullish direction, it's gonna take out swing low, then gonna move higher. See, right here it took out this swing low, during the Asian session and went higher. Today it did that too, right here. When Asian session started, it took out this flow right here, went higher. Then right around here, it took out some sell stop, again went higher. Here is also the same scenery. Then we have right one here, went higher. So yeah, all it does take out some swing lows and move higher the whole week. So yeah, chat, there's nothing I can say about gold right now because we have taken all the buy stops, all the buy side liquidity on gold. Maybe waiting is the best thing you can do if you trade a gold. So let me just go back to euro. Right, we are moving on euro right now. Where's my glass? Chat, if this candle close right here and we see another candle tap into that inversion pair value of the upper one, we can go long, I guess, but it's more like a 60-40 chance that price can go higher because we have it taken out that low on the XY. Okay, we are about to take out that low on the XY. Let's see GBP. Bro, GBP is still just moving like shit. That's why I'm telling you not to touch GBP today. Do not touch GBP today, chat. We can probably pull some points on euro today. Right, probably like this. Let's just see if we can get into this trade if we see a tap into that inversion pair value gap right there, or is it gonna move without us? Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, then yeah, subscribe. Chat, what are you even doing? We haven't tapped into that fair value gap on used that yet. Bro, what the fuck is USD JPY trying to do now? We see another trap right there. There's another trap right there. Retail is gonna wait for price to break this trend line there because they are bullish. They have seen price move higher all day long, but we see differently. We're gonna use that as an strategy right there. Okay, we see some now, bro. What the fuck? It just poked a bit. Damn, bro, you're gonna move without us. What the fuck? Do we have anything? Bro, euro is just moving without us. That's not fair. See, that's why I told you that euro gonna move cleaner than cable today. It already moved like how many points from here? Already moved like 13 pips from there. Let's see if we can get into a trade on euro. I see you are very disciplined. How long have you been in the markets? Bro, I've been trading like 4 years right now. It's almost 4 years. And I was introduced to ICT like 3.5 years. Yep. First 6 months I just gambled, bro. With retail concept, I just watched all the retail traders YouTube videos and didn't even understand what's going on. But now I do. Now if I even get stopped out in any trade, I can just, yep, I know why it's, what the fuck. So is my camera working? Okay, it's working. Screen went off. What the fuck? It's working, but look at gold. What, bro? It's gonna move higher. Yep. It's gonna maybe take out this Asian session high one more time, but I'm not sure about that. But there's a huge chance that gold probably gonna take out that high right there. As we have taken out sell stop again right here, some major sell side liquidity here, and we have this buy side liquidity, one here and another one is here. So yeah, we could see some upside movement on gold. I'm gonna leave it rest to you, bro. Damn, bro, what the fuck? Okay, Nas, I think Nas gonna take out this low right here. The next target for Nas could be this low swing low right here. If we see on S&P, yeah, it's also moving lower right now, but I'm not sure if it's gonna take out this low. US 30 not gonna take out this low right here. Probably it's gonna take out this low and tap into that bullish order block one more time. If we are bearish, then it will continue higher from there. Okay, have we tapped into that? Chat, we haven't tapped into any fair value gap yet. What the fuck? This right here, if we see a tap into that, it it has, okay, DXY has taken out that low. Now if we see a fair value gap, we can take a trade, but it's up to you, chat. If you want to take a trade, I probably gonna take a trade on euro. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna get stopped out. That's it. Okay, we are in that fair value gap. Do we see anything? Bro, gold didn't even close to above that fair value gap there. It need to sorry, I'm talking about gold. What the fuck? Cable need to close above that fair value gap there. I think I'm gonna go long on euro. Let's see. Yep. I'm not gonna risk too much on this trade chat, but yeah, it's gonna be a quick little trade. Probably take something off of this high right here. Just take this off. Right. More like 1:1 trade. How much is that? Okay, 1.6 our trade. Okay, we're moving. So this is this one. Up, take that high out. I think you are gonna take out that high. That's for sure. It's gonna take out that high, and if we are bearish, we're gonna see some SMTs with DXY or GBP right there. Yep. Yeah, we're moving right now. Yeah, push, buddy, push. I'm up $400 right now, chat. Oh, it's so hot. A little bit more, a little bit. Come on, a little bit push. Push a little bit, bro. What the fuck? All right, we have closed above that fair value gap on cable right now. Yep. What's USD doing? Fuck you, USD. Fuck you. Okay, we are about to take that high out, chat. Just do something right here. Yeah. I'll probably take like 70 or 60% off of that trade and leave the rest to run. Some bullish. So yeah, how much are we up right now? Okay. From here to there, you would move like 20 handles, bro. Go up. Pop, pop, pop. close this off. Chat, even if I get stopped out in this trade, I'm still okay. I'll probably look for another setup, yeah, and be done for the day. But this is a high probability trade for me. Even if I get stopped out on this, then I'll say it's my bad day today. Yeah, let me just see what it. Right now I'm trading funded, bro. This trade is on my funded account. Okay, we're gonna tap into that one more time and I'll see how it reacts. Okay, bro, cable is just moving like shit. What the fuck? If I see this candle close below that this fair value gap, that inversion one, I'll cut this trade off because I'm not gonna take that whole stop on this trade. These are my two safety nets for this trade right there. Bro, right now I'm trading Atlas Fund at $100,000 account. Oh, that's not good. Yep. I don't want to see a close below this fair value gap. It can tap around here. Sorry, my mistake. It can tap into this one right here. Maybe a wick on this inversion fair value gap, but should not close below this fair value gap. If it does, I'm out. What the fuck are you saying, bro? There's still like 2 hours left for the news to hit, bro, and this is a short setup to targeting that high right there, right? And I'm not risking too much on this trade, and I'm a swing trader, bro. I'm not afraid of news, but right here, this is a just short setup. If I'm wrong, then I'll have to admit it, bro. But yeah, that's what it is. If I get stopped out, then I'll probably, yeah, wanna figure out what was wrong in that trade. That's it. But I'll stick to my analysis, bro. Okay, it should not close below that travel gap right there. Damn. Cable probably gonna take out this low one more time. It's probably gonna take out that low one more time, chat. Yep, chat. Good morning, chat. I'm in Bernie. Okay, chat. I have taken a loss on euro today, I guess. Probably I'm not gonna take any trade today, but yeah, I'll still be bullish on euro and the cable. How much did I lose? Let me just see. Okay, it was like 600 bucks. Yep, bro. What the fuck? But I'll probably not gonna look for any setup right now. I'll just wait to see price change its direction. It's fucked up right now, or else I could be wrong. Mm, yep, bro. I risked like bro 670 bucks, I guess. Everything is dropping like it's hot. Fuck, bro. We were just I think 4 or 5 points below to take out that high right there. Take that high out. But whatever, bro. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll probably wait just. Yep. Or maybe I'm not gonna trade today anymore. Just gonna observe what price is doing. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, yep, subscribe, chat. Chat, go and join the Discord community. You'll find the link in the description. And also, yeah, the flash 50% off on Atlas funding ends today. So if you want to grab an account, just go and grab one right now. There's link in my description in this stream. Chat, let me just tell you one thing. You will see price continue from here. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna take any trade for the week. It's gonna move higher from here. Just keep that in mind. We took an equal low today in euro and daily gap in dollars, which we are still above. What the fuck? Okay, I think I'm done. Yep. Our for fair value gap consequent encroachment. Bro, because GU took out that external range liquidity right here. That's why I'm bullish, bro. You're not gonna get it if you're that confident about your trade or setup. Just go and trade, bro. Make money, bro. Why are you even wasting time here? You can see it took out that external range liquidity, and euro failed to take out that low right there. So it means euro is bullish still, bro. Mhm. What do we have here? Okay. Just grab some projection on this. Okay. How many points you? Damn, bro. Cable moved like from that fair value gap almost 30 pips, bro. What the fuck? Okay, USD cat tapped into the premium zone right there within the dealing range on the daily. I think it's on the daily. Yep. This was the dealing range chat. This right here is the dealing range. And yeah, we tap into the uh, premium zone right now. And I think we also gonna tap into that fair value gap. It's on 4 hour, I guess. Yeah. No, 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 no. It's not on four. What the fuck? Yeah. That's the 1 hour fair value gap. CB right there. 1 hour CB. And we're also at premium right now. We have two levels right there within the OTA level right there. Okay, let's just watch Euro chat. All right, we have news at 10 a.m. chat. Remember that. So yeah, I'll look, wait for the news and see how it reacts. This is more like a manipulation before the news in my eyes. By the way, chat, whatever I do, do not follow that. Right? Do your own analysis too. Because if I'm wrong, then I'll probably figure that out. If I get stopped out, then uh, after the stream, I'll just look into this those setups or the trades, and yeah, I'll figure out what was wrong I did, and yeah, and I'll know what I did wrong. But if you take in a trade and if you get stop out because you saw me take a trade there, then you'll probably gonna blame me for that, and you won't even understand why price took out your stop loss. So yeah, do your own analysis also. It doesn't mean I'm gonna be right all the time. Give me a moment, chat. Right. By the way, chat, have you guys taken any trade? Have you guys taken any trade yet, or still waiting for the news, chat? All right. Okay, we tapped into that hourly fair value gap on USD cat. That's CB right there. It's the 1 hour CB. Now I want to see how it reacts from there. USD check UI, stock top, pro. Damn, bro. Euro and cable today dropped like how many points did they drop? Damn, bro, it's about to be 100 pips within a day. What the fuck? We barely see 100 points in a week, but today it moved like 100 points within these two sessions. You are almost there. By the way, chat, you go grab an account on Atlas Fund at with a 50% off today. Today is the last day of the 50% off promotion. So yeah, it's like 44 bucks for a 10K account. Okay, we are moving on this trade right there. Damn, bro. Okay, now I don't want to see price comes down one more time. It should not come down to this fair value gap one more time. Now it should tap into that OTA level right there. Let's see if it's gonna give us this trade or not. Even right here, this is a 2.8 hour trade chat. Just move this right. Okay. Now it should respect this right here. Okay, chat. I'm considering this as an proportion block right there. This one is an propulsion order block. So I don't want to see price uh, take out that low right there. This low right there. It should keep price above it. That's the mean threshold of that propulsion order block right there. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take this two off. Pa, 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 pa. We wanna see some nice push right there. We wanna see nice push from here right now. Okay, there's some nice push right there. I think we're gonna tap into that OT level right there. Maybe around right here. By the way, Chad, did you guys like the new motivational video I've uploaded like yesterday, I guess? Yeah, that 40 minutes one. Have you guys watched that yet? There are some nice psychology uh, ICT talked about. So yeah, if you haven't watched that, go give it a watch. Okay, we are almost 1 hour up on this trade. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, yeah, sub up, bro. What are you even doing? And chat, go check out Atlas Funded. Today is the last day of that 50% off promotion going on Atlas Funded. Yeah, 44 bucks for a 10K account. It's so cheap right now. We have taken out that swing high we formed to the left prior to that move from that propulsion order block. Now I want to see how it continue from there. Yep, we're we're 1 hour up on this trade. Yeah, right around here we're 1 hour up. It's a 2.86 hour trade. Yes, it helps a lot. Glad, bro. I'm glad you guys enjoy those. In that video, there are some nice things ICT talked about, like those relates to me like crazy, bro. It's gonna relate to you also. He talked about our surroundings, peoples who just put on a mask, uh, be nice in front of us, like that shit. So yeah, go give it a watch. Eh, if you're not trading today, then give it a watch. You're gonna find it useful today. Okay, we are almost at mid level of that our fair value gap. Yeah, that's CV right there. We're at midpoint right now of that 1 hour CV. The GU is moving right now. Do we have anything here? Bro, there's nothing. Still I can trust the bias. I'm not gonna go short on GU or Euro. Even if I'm wrong about the bearish bias, still I'm not gonna go in it short trade. Maybe I'll wait for tomorrow but I'm not gonna take a trade on euro or GBP. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll probably just wait for tomorrow. Price should move now, right now. It should move right now. Varun, hey bro, what's up? Price should close, at least cross this high right now. That black one right there. It should cross that high with speed right now. If we are sure about the bias that USD JPY are going to continue around here, it need to cross that high right there with speed. I have just verified the highs and hit a consequent encroachment of an all favor. I expect a pullback 4 hour. It could take a pullback, bro. Why did it hit, bro? Which consequent encroachment are you talking about? 4 hour USD JP we have just verified us and it is consequent. Okay, all fair value gaps, not this one. Yeah, it could, bro. It could take a pullback, but I'm not in this trade. But I'm just here analyzing right now. Okay, you see some nice reaction from the min threshold of that order block right there. I want to see a close above this uh, BC right there. If it's gonna continue there, I'm not gonna take any trade today, chat. Because if I'm wrong about the bias, why should I take any trade? I'm gonna be cooked, bro. You trade futures? No, I do not trade futures, but I trade indices sometimes. Yeah, as you can see, I have NAS, S&P, and US 30 right here. All right, we have something on US GBP right now. That we have a news at 10 a.m. today. So yeah, off the stream, I'll probably gonna see how price move during that news. Do we have anything on here? No, we have taken out that low. Damn, I think it's gonna come down right now. As soon as we take out this low right here, if you are in this trade, just get out. As soon as price take out this low. If it doesn't, then yeah, you can hold on to it. But I do not want to see this low being taken right now. It's about to be taken out. Damn, bro. It moved like 1 hour in this setup, and now cooked. Have we taken out that low? No, we haven't yet. Chat, I think I'm gonna end the stream for today. I need to freshen up my mind, chat. Yeah, I'll probably just end the stream today, and I'm gonna post the result in the community tab. And yeah, be there tomorrow at the same time. We'll be live at 7 a.m. New York time. Yeah, until I see you tomorrow, chat. Peace out.